Shockwave.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video vlog, so I'm gonna make a review of this tool. So I already made a separate unboxing for this two EDC gear. This one is the stun gun. So it has a 50,000 volts 928 type and a direct current ultra high voltage. So it has also a it is a rechargeable, so an outlet, so you can put it into your and also has a pouch mini pocket over here. So in order for you to use it, so there's the switch for this pin I forgot what is this name again. So this is the two needle for the electric, so for the stun, and this is the functionality. So it is the off mode. So if I want to put this into the if I want to put this, there's a torchlight so in the middle. So if I want to put this in here, so it means you can use it into the needle, so in the electric. So and you can use this one. So I'm gonna show to you earlier. So how to charge it is when you can put this on. Okay, I'll wait for it. So this is the charger, this one. So as you can see, this is a normal plug, wall plug for, here in Philippines. So this is what we use here in Philippines, and also this one over here also. So put it in here, and then if you're gonna put this in the wall, so this one over here will light up just as a charging. So there's a I think this is for the lanyard over here. So okay, let's gonna try to use this up. So I'm gonna make a separate video of this one. Okay, so this is it. So let's gonna try to this one. So it's now on, so I'm gonna try. Okay, so as you can see, yes, it really works. There's a two I don't know what is this called. There's a two in here. So okay, there's a two like that one. So that's the two separator right there, gonna make an electric current to the needle if someone gets in your way. So like someone wants to grab you and steal something from you. So the needle will put it in your body. It will gonna be electrify or electrify, and it's just a stun. Okay, so this is not a deadly weapon. So this is just for a self-defense for people that cannot defend themselves in case of trouble. So I'm gonna use it again. So like that one, as you can see, yes, that one is very good and very awesome. So I must recommend and suggestion for must recommend suggestion for people that doesn't have a defensive what's this called, defensive tool, or defensive EDC or gear for everyone. So stay aware for the people, for stay away for the people that wants to hurt you, right? So okay, I'm gonna go back to my desk and we're gonna try. Okay, so that was, guys, so that was the review of this one. So the self-defense stun gun. So I don't know what is the brand of this, so I'm gonna put down below the product of the link of this, the link of the product in the description box below. So next is, here I have this Sakura binocular or telescope, 30 by 60. It has also as a uh 126 meter by 1000 meter, the field of 7.2 degrees. So it is also has a line which you can put it in your neck, and also there is also a, what I don't know what is this, but it is a this one at here. So in here, okay, I'm gonna like this one. So in that, and also you can adjust it like that one. So adjust it, you can adjust it, and also nice. And I don't know if there's a night vision of this, but I think, but it's working on by night also. So and this one right here over, and this one right is also good and also nice. So okay, I'm gonna try this outside. So and also I'm gonna make also a video so of me, I'm gonna make a video of me using this binocular or telescope. So 30 by 60 Sakura. Okay, so let's gonna try it out. Okay, okay, so okay, okay. In order for you to put this on, so you just have to wear it in your neck, and then you're gonna go right there, and then also you're gonna start sightseeing around. Okay, so I'm gonna go outside, and also I'm gonna show to you how to use it. Okay. So that's it, guys. So that's it. So that was the review. So overall, I very like this type of telescope or binocular, is because it is so clear that I can see clearly. So good thing there's an helicopter passing by passing by here in our place. There's an helicopter, and I can see it, and I can see the helicopter clearly. So it was good, and also very lightweight and very compact. You can adjust it anytime you want, if you want some clear view. uh, to see some sightseeing, just like when you are in a mountainous place. Either you are going on camping, you are going on bike packing, backpacking, or anything. So this is a very good binocular or telescope for each and everyone. So campers out there, and also bike packers, okay, bike packers or backpackers out there. So trekking, right? So trekking, this is very good and nice. So you can see the wonderful place that you can see out there when you are in the mountainous place camping. Okay, that's it, guys. That's it for today's vlog, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed these two EDC tactical gear that I bought, and I already did an unboxing video, and now I'm making a review. Those I just make a separate unboxing for this, for the two, but now today I'm gonna make a combination review of this, so that I don't have, okay, right, really like these two. So very very helpful and very very useful to each and everyone out there. So I just hope that you have making a uh nice, what is this called, nice product that you can have it in your EDC camping. Okay, if either if you're a camper, bike packer, backpacker, or a trekker. So very very good and very nice, very nice tactical gear for each and everyone out there. So for EDC lovers, so this is a very good nice, also for the campers. Okay, so this is a very good nice and also very very good product for some good item. Okay, so that's it for this video, and I hope you like it. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also click that notification bell, okay, so that you will notify all of my upcoming future upload videos here in my channel. So it's me, Rani the Tech Savvy, and I am creating I am creating vlogs such as techs and gadgets, EDC gear, EDC tech, EDC, anything EDC, and also I also do some gaming accessories and gaming handhelds, and also reviewing products and unboxing. So that's it for this video, and if you like it, this is my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, okay, and peace everyone.